Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It is almost the weekend, so of course it must be building time. What am I saying? It's building time every day of the week. We are building the Lego Friends Stephanie's horse jumping set. This one looks cool. It's got a couple of ponies in it. Well, horses, because ponies and horses are entirely different. And we can set up a whole show, like a whole obstacle course. So let's see, we got 3 bags, little sheet of stickers, and our instruction book. We have got everything we need. Okay. Let's see who we have got in this set. Obviously, we're going to have Stephanie, and she's got a great new, very pink, very pinkety pink top there for her show jumping outfit. And she's got a helmet on because safety first at all times. So Stephanie is ready to go jumping, but she's not going jumping alone. She is joined by Zach, who is not quite as spiffily dressed. He's got on his horse riding boots, but his shirt's like got a donkey peeking out of it. But he does have a helmet on, so very, very safe. This set doesn't actually include his hair, so if you want to take off his helmet, he's just going to be like a little stud head, but that's okay. All right, so he is in the set. We've also got a saddle with a yellow star on it, and I think Stephanie's going to have to go in this way. And if we have a saddle, we must need, I was about to say a horse, but obviously we're going to need a bridle as well, and the reins. But before we even meet any of the horses, we need to build them some food. And we have a fork here to actually move the straw. But come on, bring on the horses. He's the first of the horses. I don't know whether this is a he or a she. You all tell me that if they have eyelashes, they're a she, but I think they all have eyelashes. But this horse has definitely got eyelashes. Beautiful honey brown color. And we're going to put Stephanie on here. I'll see if I can put the reins on. They go on this way. I can never get them over the ears, so I might be using my teeth for that, but nobody saw that, so it didn't really happen. But now the bridle is on, and Stephanie can go riding, but there's a magnificent black horse too. On the pretty fillers in the back there are blue and pink. It's like the saddle, blanket saddly things. That's really pretty. Okay, but we have to take that out to put the actual saddle on. So this gorgeous black horse has got a purple saddle with a pink star, and Zach's going to ride this horse at the moment. I don't know which horse belongs to whom yet, or I just don't know. So we'll find out as we keep building. So let me see. It looks like we're building like a microphone stand. Oh no! Oh, well, oh yes, this is good. I didn't mean oh no like it's a bad thing. It's oh no, it's not a microphone stand, because that would be entirely not useful in a horse show jumping thing. This one's a camera. So we're going to be filming the action today. And if there's going to be action, there are going to need to be some jumps. So there are a couple of jumps that need to be built, and they both have their own interesting way to be built. So here's the first one. We've got some little Technic plugs to go in here so that stars can go on them for decoration. And on the top, we've got those slanted pieces, and we get a nice smooth pole bar-y kind of thing. I have no idea what the technical names are, but I'm going to call it like the bar that you jump over, and it can be easily knocked off. Okay, that's cool. That's one obstacle-y thing. But now we need another one. So another jumping obstacle. We're going to make some patterned poles to go on this one. They're round. And on this end, oh, that's really cool. So that's got a hole in the end, and we put a hook on it, and that hinge, oh, okay. So we make a second one of these. I can see how this is all going to work. It's such a cool way to just decorate a pole and to attach them too. It's very clever. We put that on here, and then they go on here and they actually make a crisscross because you angle them. Isn't that so clever? Oh no, Zach can't get over that at its current height. But hold on, we haven't finished with that. Let's put the last few pieces on. So we need to put some white little squares here and some blue ones over the top and some greenery to finish it off. And now we have got 2 jumps for the obstacle course. Okay, so we have 2 jumps. I don't think we need any more. So let's see what this is. We're obviously not building the actual, there is a building that we're going to be building, but this is not the building. We're not building the building yet. But this is one of the little extra pieces of equipment that we're going to be using at the horse jumping stably thing. And we've got a nice smooth step going up here. It's all rounded around. It looks like it's going to be a podium. of some description. There are ice creams on there. Oh, maybe it's an ice cream. Why would you have ice creams at a horse riding stable? That's ridiculous. So they're not ice creams. I think they're just decorations. Now we've got these curved pieces which we are making go further around in a curve so that we can actually make, that's upside down. We have to put it up this way so that all the luck doesn't fall out of the horseshoe. Before we do that, we need to put these on, and then we can put all of the embellishments on the top to make it really decorative and pretty. So it's a horseshoe. It's a massive decorative horseshoe like you often have made out of flowers, like a big horseshoe bouquet. Now I think that might be a bit insane, but that's cool. That's a really cool decoration. So there is a horseshoe, giant horseshoe decoration on what is absolutely a podium, and it looks like it might be the placing podium. So here's the trophy, the gold trophy, and the winner will come and stand on the top. Obviously this horse is the winner. I think there's just enough room there for Stephanie, but we could have second and third place, and the horse can be on the side here too. Okay, we're up to bag number 2, which means we are actually starting now to build the building that comes with this. I shouldn't say building anymore. So lots of grassy pieces here, and we will see how this all takes shape. I'm very curious as to what this set actually needs. We've got all the jumps. We need somewhere to stable the horses, and I don't know what else. We will just see. Well, we've put some pebbles on the front. At the moment it's symmetrical, but I don't think it's going to stay symmetrical for the whole way through. But it's always nice to start a build with some symmetry. It makes it a bit easier. We've got some brick pieces on the front, some brick pattern pieces. There's a bit of straw there on the back for the horses to nibble on, I assume. And we've got a box there. Nice big blue. Okay, we're not symmetrical anymore. Kind of. No, we're definitely not symmetrical anymore. So there are water taps here that on both sides. There are little water troughs for the horses. And this here, it looks like a water cooler. Kind of. I'm not certain what that's for. Let's find out. Oh, there's what it says for a water spray for actually washing the horses. Coming in and giving them a spray down, give them a good clean. Oh, that's really cute. And this has got a whole heap of hooks on it. So we're going to be holding some accessories here. So we've got a spray bottle and a whole heap of different grooming brushes. I love how that spray bottle fits between the studs on the top. Love how clever Lego is with these sorts of designs. And this goes in here, but it's actually on jumper studs, so you can take it in and out if you don't want to actually bring your horses into this little space in the middle. You can bring them outside and bring the little grooming station outside too. That's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, this horse has had a little bit of a preliminary groom, and now we need to get back to building. Otherwise, we'll never get there if we just keep playing around with the horses all the time. Now, hold on. Those... Oh yeah, they're on the wrong spot. We actually were supposed to turn this around. Need to look at the instructions a little bit better. Otherwise, I'm going to make some mistakes. Got some... Oh yeah, we're going to be making a roof there by the look of those. But these aren't roof pieces. These are little grassy pieces. They go off on either side. And... it seems like we have a little horse stable-y type thing on each side. That's what I suspect is happening here. They've each got a water trough, and we're up to bag number 2. This is the very first sticker. We've got another lucky horseshoe there. I'm not certain what those things are that are hanging up. I don't think they're whips. And this here is, looks like a scoreboard. All right, this is looking really, really good. Now we get to put some stable doors on, so we get to find out the names of these horses. So this one is Lucy, and Lucy is the yellow-themed horse. So that's this horsey here. It's Lucy. That's Lucy. And on the other one, the horse over here, the magnificent black one, is called Paddy. That's not a very majestic name for the gorgeous black horse. But there you go, Paddy is a boy horse, and Paddy's got eyelashes too, so I just don't know that argument actually stands. Okay, so the one with the pink embellishment on here, see the little star, belongs over here, that's Paddy, and the yellow one is Lucy with the yellow star on the saddle, and they even get a little bit of carrot, here in the middle, and this is where I actually missed a bit of the build. The recording did not work, so we've just skipped ahead just a tiny bit. There's a little bit going on the roof. Didn't miss too much, but this has never happened before, so I'm going to have to check out why it happened. It's really annoying. That's okay. The building will go on. So these interesting hinged parts go up here on the top, over the top of the little stable-y areas for the horses. And now we are building just a little bit of interesting stuff up on the second level. So let me see. We have got a curved piece in the middle. And at the moment, it just looks like we're putting walls up. Some little white telescope pieces. That's cool. I don't know that I've ever had those pieces in white before. I could be wrong, but I don't know that I've ever seen them in white before. And they make an interesting little fancy kind of thing there. And to sit on the front up here, we've got a little balconette. So that hangs out on the front. That's a nice way to add a bit of extra area up here on the second level. It's looking really good. And now we just need to see what the point of this area is up here. The binoculars that go on the table area here. And on this big flat piece we have got, if I can get the sticker off, we've got a big TV screen. So this is what we're actually videoing. So anything we're actually videoing on the camera down on the showgrounds is going to be projected up here onto the screen so that you can see it up here in the viewing area. Cool, that's cool. Okay, what's this? We have got a big Technic stick sticking out the back of this piece, and it goes here, stick sticking out the back. And we'll just bring Zach up here. But we've still got some more things to add up to the top. And we've got some gold curve pieces to make yet another horseshoe for an embellishment all the way here on the top. And on these little hook bits on the side, got some flagpoles. So pink ones for this side that's got Paddy. Paddy's down the bottom there on that side. And yellow to be themed with Lucy. Cute. That's very cute. I think we've actually entirely finished, except we need to put some decorations here in this box. So we've got a whole heap of bows, and there are other things that come in this horse grooming pack, which you've probably seen before, because we've had them in other horse sets. We've got some ribbons, and there's soap, and there are a whole heap more brushes that were duplicates of what we've already got. So we have finished building. I've put these around the wrong way, so let's just turn them around again, because the color pieces are supposed to be on the top. We'll put Zach up the top here. He can keep an eye on the race, what's happening with the binoculars. And we've got our jumping pieces. Okay, I think we are actually ready to play with this set. So who's going first? Let me see. We might put Zach on the camera, and Stephanie is going to have a go at the obstacle course. So here we go. Let's go. All right, Stephanie is going over and over. She's done beautifully on Lucy there. Lucy's still in training. I think Lucy is actually Zach's horse. She might be training her, but she's doing quite well. She just moved that jump up a little bit, so maybe we could. Oh, hold on. Lucy's shying at that. Oh no! Oh no! Lucy's knocked it off. But seriously, Stephanie? You want to try it again? You want to put those ones up higher? Okay, if you think Lucy's up to it, okay, we better actually video this. Okay, backing up further. Maybe you just need a bigger run up. All right, go Lucy. Oh, well done, Lucy. Wow, Lucy's gone absolutely wild with excitement. Okay, I think Lucy's a little out of control now. Lucy gets very excited. Okay, Lucy needs a little bit more training, but I think that this is a gold class winning performance. Maybe managed to get over those really high jumps. So Lucy's now here on the stand. Lucy doesn't want the trophy because she can't eat it. I mean, what good is a trophy to a horse? So Lucy's wandered off, which means Stephanie can hop up here and she can have the trophy. Lovely. First place. Well done. And if we there we go. We can coax Lucy back here with the carrot for a picture for the winner's shot. Oh no. Oh, I don't know if Zach actually got that shot. Oh, well. Well, make sure you don't miss your shot at subscribing. Make sure you give the video a like, and make sure you tune back in very soon for some new videos, because I'll be back with some very soon. So see you then. Bye.